Axolotl, the fascinating aquatic marvel with remarkable regeneration abilities. The axolotl, Embystoma mexicanum, is a captivating amphibian native to a few lakes in the Valley of Mexico. It is a type of salamander that displays a remarkable and rare trait known as neoteny, meaning it retains its aquatic larval features throughout its entire life. Unlike other amphibians that undergo metamorphosis, the axolotl remains in its larval form, making it a fascinating creature for researchers and enthusiasts alike. Facts about axolotl. 8. Neotenic Characteristics. The axolotl is famous for its neotenic characteristics, including its external gills and feathery, frilled appearance, which remain even in adulthood. Though aquatic habitat, axolotl are found in freshwater bodies such as Lake Xochimilco and Lake Chalco in Mexico. Unfortunately, due to habitat degradation, pollution, and the introduction of non-native species, their natural habitat is under threat, leading to their endangered status in the wild. Theme: Regeneration Superstars. Among the most impressive abilities of axolotl is their exceptional regenerative capacity. They can regrow lost limbs, tails, jaws, and even parts of their heart, brain, and spinal cord. Char. Varied colors. Axolotl come in a range of colors, including shades of brown, gray, black, white, and gold. Some individuals may even display unique patterns and variations. 5. Nocturnal Behavior. Axolotl are primarily nocturnal creatures, preferring to be more active during the night and resting during the day. 6. Carnivorous Diet. In the wild, axolotl are carnivorous and feed on insects, small fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic prey. In captivity, they are commonly fed worms, brine shrimp, and other appropriate food sources. 7. Threatened Species. Axolotl face serious threats in their natural habitat due to human activities, making them critically endangered. Conservation efforts are essential to protect their dwindling populations. 8. Unique breathing. Instead of using lungs like terrestrial animals, axolotl respire primarily through their gills, which are used to extract oxygen from the water. No. Absence of eyelids. Axolotl lack eyelids, which means they cannot close their eyes. Instead, they rely on a protective layer over their eyes to shield them from debris and damage. Thus, courtship and reproduction. To initiate courtship, male axolotl perform a series of movements to stimulate the female. During mating, the male deposits sperm packages, which the female takes up to fertilize her eggs. Axolotl are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs rather than giving birth to live young.